For this problem, I see this parentheses. That's going to tell me I'm going to do distribution first. So I get a 2/3 x plus 2/3 times 4 gives me 8/3 minus 1 equals 17. Now, this 8/3 minus 1, that's really an 8/3 minus 3/3, which would give me a 5/3. So I have 2/3 x plus 5/3 equals 17. When I subtract 5/3 from both sides, we can use the calculator, just making sure that you put parentheses around the 5/3. But in case you don't have a calculator yet, 17 is the same thing as 51/3. So I'm going to do that minus a 5. So I'm looking at 46/3 equals 2/3 x. Multiply by the reciprocal. I have x equals 46 times 3 is 138 over 3 times 2 is a 6. 138 divided by 6 is 20.